In this video, I'll guide you through how to make electronic signatures using Docusign. By the end, you'll be able to take any document you have on your computer, sign it electronically, and send it back without ever needing to print or scan anything. Let's start from your Docusign home dashboard. This is the main screen you see right after you log in. From here, look for the option that says Sign a Document. This is your starting point whenever you want to sign something yourself, rather than sending it out for others to sign. Go ahead and click Sign a Document. Next, you'll be asked to upload the document you want to sign. This might be a PDF, a Word file, or another supported format saved on your computer or in cloud storage. Click the Upload area, then browse to find the file you want to sign. Select it and give Docusign a moment to process the file. You should see a preview of your document appear on the screen, page by page. Once your document is uploaded and visible, click the button labeled Sign. This tells Docusign that you're ready to start placing your electronic signature on the document. The interface will switch into a signing view where you can add different types of fields like signatures, initials, dates, and more. For now, we'll focus on adding your main signature. On the left or top toolbar, look for the signature field option. This is usually shown as an icon that clearly indicates a signature. Click on the signature field. You're not placing it yet. You're just telling Docusign that you want to work with your signature. As soon as you do that, Docusign will ask you how you want your signature to look. You'll typically see three options: draw, type, or upload. If you choose draw, you can use your mouse, trackpad, or touchscreen to draw your signature by hand. This gives you a very natural handwritten look, though it might take a couple of tries to get it just right. If you choose type, you'll simply type your name, and Docusign will display it in a script-style font that looks like a signature. This is quick and clean and works well for most people. If you choose upload, you can use an image of your real signature that you've already scanned or photographed. This is useful if you want your exact handwritten signature on every document. Once you've decided which method you prefer and you're happy with how it looks, click Adopt and Sign. This step tells Docusign this is my official electronic signature, and it will reuse this style for future documents unless you change it later. It also ensures that your chosen signature is linked to your account for consistency. Now move your cursor over the document preview and click where you want to place your signature. For example, if there's a signature line at the bottom of a page, click right on or just above that line. Your adopted signature will drop into that spot. You can drag it slightly to adjust the position or resize it if needed so it fits neatly in the space provided. When you've reviewed everything and your signature is in the right place, look for the Finish button, usually at the top or bottom of the screen. Click Finish to complete the signing process. Docusign will save your signed document and typically give you options to download it, email it, or store it securely in your account. That's all it takes. You've just created and placed an electronic signature using Docusign, and you're ready to handle your documents digitally from now on.